Hi there, hope you're doing good. So here I am with the demo. Yep, you are right. I have tested it on my copy. I don't want to disturb your file, but now I'll test it directly on your copy. This is your copy of orders, just to make sure that this is working on your side as well. Let me see the archive file if I have added the cost column in between. Yes, I have added the column of cost in between. Here is the batch data. Let me add the batch data by selecting the batch file you just shared with me, including the column cost in it. I'll append it, and let's make sure, yes, we have this column cost in here. Now you will not change this one because these are the two older entries, so you will see these. Otherwise, if you will clear this once, this header will go up, and you don't need to delete it anytime later on. So now there will be a cost column here, and yep, all the columns are matching. Let me delete this header, and let's see. Okay, so the last entry on the B call sheet is 44, which you just pasted. You just told that you just pasted it. So it's 44 in here, and on batch data, archive batch data. Let's see which entry is it. It's 4742. Let's see. I'm not sure about the batch data, but we have these entries now. I'll run the deploy CSV thing, and this should add the entry whatever the matches and mismatches are there. It should add in here, and if there are any green matches, those will be transferred to the archive tab. Yep, it's turning it to green or white. Four matches and four mismatches. Now these four will be transferred to three will be transferred to archive tab, and one should be added. Yeah, those four should be added in here as well. You can see now it's updated the B cool with all four, and those should be added in the archive batch as well. Yep, here they are. Oh, it's still working on it. Okay, done. So you can see it's added the entries in here as well, and on the B cool sheet as well. So it seems to be working on your side as well, and I just recorded this video just to make sure that you can see that this is working on your side, and how I'm dealing with the cost column. So now the cost, I can add the cost in here, and next time I'll insert the sorry add the I'll import the data, it won't ask me to shift the column. So now you can see it has added the column accordingly. Now we don't need to shift any column, just load the CSV, delete the header of that CSV, new CSV, and just run it. And that's it. So yep, it should work for you as well. Let's see how it goes. Please let me know. Thank you.